So in this Inkscape tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to warp text here on Inkscape. So first thing you have to do is go to the left and add some text to your document here. So I will go ahead and type in the word warp. I will then center it a little bit and I will make it a little bit smaller so it's easier for you guys to see. So once your text is selected, I want you to select the text right here. I want you guys to go to the top to where it says path, and I want you guys to select object to path. Once that is done, once again, go to the top, select path, then scroll down to where it says path effects. It'll then open up this side of your screen right here where you can simply go ahead and press the down arrow like this. What I want you guys to do is select envelope deformation. Once you're here, there's a bunch of different options you guys can select. So if you want to select top, right, bottom, or left, you can basically warp the text this way. So if I were to press top, for example, you can then grab this top bar, which turns green. You can make it higher or lower. You can then select, bottom. You can go ahead and drag this down. Do what you got to do. You can go left and you can drag this to the left and kind of play around with it this way. Or you can go to the right, for example, and you can move it in or do what you got to do. Sorry, let me just right path right here. Grab this and you can kind of play around this way. And if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and press the text right here. Press the text. Once again, press the text. And you have your text warped. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to warp text here on Inkscape. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.